Splizzy Montana, what's poppin'? BOS mob, all day I fuck with VCO, come on. I'm a motherfucking boss, I thought you knew. If you niggas think I'm playing, come and run up. Catch me on the 1-5 block, straight posted up. Nigga wanna talk shit, but you ain't really about that life. Nigga, I'm from the BOS mob, try to disrespect, I bet you with that click clack make you niggas go down, bitch, I'm fucking with that. Posted with my nigga Anti, and you know that we all stay with that. From South Central to Long Beach, you know we all got that. B-hat everywhere I go, I sport to be more than Boston. I don't give a fuck, niggas wanna talk shit. Let them niggas run up, cause it's BOS mob to the death of me. One swing, all swing, niggas wanna talk shit. Fuck BDS, nigga, y'all niggas lame as shit. I don't give a fuck, fuck waffle, fuck everybody killer. Niggas wanna talk, you got a big mouth, flexing on Instagram, talking all that shit on Twitter. Then your boy catch you, got you bluffing, coming out your motherfucking shoes. I don't play games with these lames, you already fucking knew. Splizzy Montana in the house, what it do?
We got that crack, that pure West Coast crack.
Bitch, who I gotta prove? Nobody. I ain't got tattoo scars on my body. I'm a fucking rider, I'm a soldier, I'ma get you. If I catch you slipping, bitch, you better go and move out the fucking way before you get this one fist. Knock your ass out, now you crying, bitch. Had your hoe riding my dick. She was on my pole, screaming out BOS click. Had that bitch bent over like a slut, cause that's what we do, bitch. You don't know what's up. Nigga, catch me on 1-5 with days. Catch me on the block with my nigga Splat A. Holla at me, ho, if you want my number. But I ain't calling you, bitch, you better hit me up on Instagram, talking about I'm a boss, bitch.
We got that crack, that pure West Coast crack. Dropping that exclusive gangsta shit.
Break yourself, nigga. Break yourself. Hey yo, you know my phone's fucking ringing, but I ain't gon' answer, cause I'm so sick, yeah, sick like cancer. See, I come through and I'll show you what it do, cause you fuck with me, then you fuck with the crew. See, I'll go ahead and spit raps. Fuck it, I'ma go ahead and go and get splat. After that, we could go ahead and do it, cause you know what it is when I'm fucking with Runic and Blast in the back. Posted up with a sack, about to swig this shit, swig it up till I yak. But I don't yak, but I am sick like yak. So fuck it, you wanna fuck with me, then I'll fuck right back with ya. Fuck it, I'ma go and get ya. I'ma go ahead and do this shit like it's Twitter, but I ain't going Twitter, tweet that. Fuck it, I'ma go and tweet back. Fucking up, but I'ma go ahead and keep doing it. What the fuck I have to prove this shit like it be nothing? Fuck it, you on the front, then fuck it, you say fuck it. I'm gonna fuck, that's a freestyle. Grind time. Runex, Black, Rascal, what up? We all up in this bitch, that's a freestyle. No edits, no cuts, no pause.
Get on us, nigga, 15th Street mob, nigga. Catch us on Oliver Bonton Center Market, what's happening?
Bless our souls before we bless yours, bitch.
Rest in peace Zero, rest in peace Kiwi, Tycho, all the big homies. Free my nigga Troubles. See you when you get out, my boy.
Oh yeah, that feels good. That feels real good.